In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Slack step by step, even if you've never done this before. This is useful if you've forgotten your password, want to improve account security, or just need to update your login details. We'll go through the entire process directly inside Slack, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Slack on your computer and make sure you're logged into your workspace. You can do this either through the Slack desktop app or by using Slack in your web browser. Once Slack is open, you'll be taken to your main workspace view, where you can see your channels, direct messages, and sidebar. This is your starting point. Next, look at the bottom left corner of the Slack window. Here, you'll see your profile icon. This usually appears as your profile photo or your initials inside a circle. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This will open a small menu with several account-related options. From that menu, click on Profile. This opens your profile panel, where you can see your display name, status, and other personal information associated with your Slack account. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you belong to multiple Slack workspaces. Once your profile panel is open, look for the three dots icon, usually located near the top of the profile section. Click on those three dots to open additional options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Settings. Slack will now open your account settings in a new browser tab. In the Account Settings page, scroll down until you find the Password section. This section controls how you sign into Slack and manage your login credentials. Next to the password area, you'll see an option to expand or manage your password settings. Click on the Expand option to view more details. Now, you'll see an option that says Reset your password by email. Click on this option. Slack will immediately send a password reset email to the email address associated with your Slack account. Make sure you have access to that email inbox. Open your email, look for the message from Slack, and click on the password reset link inside the email. You'll be taken to a secure page where you can create a new password. Enter a strong password, confirm it, and submit the change. Once that's done, your Slack password will be successfully reset. You can now return to Slack and log in using your new password. That's it. You successfully reset your password on Slack. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.